Close your eyes and breathe in the steam rising from a bowl. That deep, savory aroma is the soul of Japanese ramen. Now imagine the clean, bright scent of fresh ocean. That is the essence of perfectly crafted sushi. Today we explore two Japanese treasures that conquered the world. These dishes carry centuries of tradition in every bite. Ramen started not in fancy restaurants, but in street stalls. Chinese immigrants brought weak noodles to Japan in the 1800s. Workers needed cheap, filling meals quickly. Japanese cooks took those noodles and made them their own. They created rich, complex broths from pork bones. They added soy sauce and miso for depth and warmth. After World War II, cheap flour made noodles accessible to everyone. Ramen transformed from street food to national comfort food. Regional styles emerged across Japan. Sapporo brought rich miso ramen with butter and corn. Tokyo offered clear shoyu broth with thin, wavy noodles. Hakata in the south pushed the limits with thick pork broth. Each region claimed its ramen as the true one. The cooking process begins with patience and time. Pork bones simmer for hours until they release their collagen. That collagen transforms the broth silky and deeply nourishing. The tear, or seasoning base, defines the ramen's character. Shoyu uses fermented soy sauce for a clean, refined taste. Shio brings salt to the foreground with a lighter profile. Miso adds fermented soybean paste for bold, earthy richness. Tonkatsu boils vigorously, creating a creamy, cloud-white broth. Noodles are made fresh daily at many ramen shops. Wheat flour, water, and alkaline salts create that springy texture. The noodles are cut to specific thicknesses for each broth style. Toppings transform a bowl into a complete sensory experience. Chashu pork is braised until it melts tender. A soft-boiled marinated egg adds rich, jammy yolk. Nori seaweed, green onions, and bamboo shoots complete the picture. The first bite is a carefully orchestrated experience. The broth hits the tongue with layers of umami. The noodles provide that perfect chew and bounce. Each topping adds its own voice to the harmony. Now we shift to sushi, a different kind of Japanese art. Sushi began as a method of preserving fish in fermented rice. The rice was discarded, and only the fish was eaten. In Edo, or modern Tokyo, a chef made a revolutionary change. He placed fresh fish atop seasoned rice for immediate consumption. This was Nijirai sushi, born in the 1820s. The rice is seasoned with vinegar, sugar, and salt. The fish must be impeccably fresh, often served raw. Tuna became the prized catch, its red meat fatty and rich. Salmon arrived later but won over Western palates quickly. Shrimp is cooked, its sweet flavor mellowed by heat. Octopus is tenderized, its texture firm yet yielding. The rice is shaped by hand with precise, practiced pressure. A single piece of fish is laid atop with care. The knife work is exact, each slice deliberate and clean. Sushi chefs train for years to master their craft. The wasabi is applied in a thin line between fish and rice. Soy sauce is dipped sparingly to enhance without overwhelming. Ginger cleanses the palate between each piece. The experience is meditative, each bite savored slowly. Ramen and sushi share a Japanese philosophy of excellence. Both dishes demand respect for ingredients and technique. Both have spread worldwide while staying true to their roots. In New York, ramen shops compete with Tokyo's finest. In London, sushi bars rival the traditions of tsukiji. Yet the best bowls and pieces are still found in Japan. The steam rises, the chopsticks lift, the moment arrives. That first taste connects you to millions of people worldwide. Ramen warms the body and comforts the soul. Sushi delights the eye and satisfies the spirit. These are more than meals, they are experiences. They carry the heart of Japanese culinary tradition. They remind us why simple food can be extraordinary. So next time you sit down to a bowl or a plate, remember the history, the craft, the culture in every bite. Taste the dedication of countless chefs across generations. Feel the steam, smell the ocean, hear the sizzle. This is the magic of Japanese ramen and sushi. Thank you for joining this culinary journey today. If this made you hungry, subscribe for more food stories. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, keep wondering.